Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a video. Part of it already got deleted. I was on a process video. And what I wanted to share was I was making these Martha Stewart craft books. A lot of people hauled this last year. I know I was one of them when we had the Martha Stewart big sale at TM. So this was in June of last year. And I finally got around a chance to using it, so I thought I was going to do a videotaping show, which was pretty easy to make these three, but somehow I think my grandson deleted it. Anyway, I was making the books for him because, he's in first grade and he's at that point, trying to write a book and all this other stuff. And he wrote a book called The Jets in the Night and Sometimes Morning. That's the title of the book. Anyway, so he's into jets and planes and stuff right now. But anyway, he was writing a book and he kept taking it back and forth to school and drawing on it and writing on it and drawing on it and being obsessed with it. And his teacher took it and told him that he couldn't have it back until the end of the school year, unfortunately. And so anyway, I told him, I said, oh, I have a book kit and I can make you some books. So I decided to do a video of me making these three just to show you how to do it. And of course, he was making the videos and I think it accidentally got deleted because it's not on my phone. But anyway, it came with the tutorials and everything that you need in here. It's very simple. It's 3 book styles. And I'll show you each one of them. And most of them just required glue and one was sewing. But it's very simple. Of course, they weren't his favorite colors. They weren't, but they were okay. So I'm going to let him write in them and make some other books. So this is spring break, so he can do this on spring break. Anyway, so this is the first one. And it's just a tie closure with some twine. And it's very easy. This is an accordion book. And you can make these yourselves. I mean, very simple. And on this one, all you did was glue in this insert, which is like, I'm going to say about 17 inches long. So you got all these panels. And so he can draw on each panel and write on it, color on it, whatever he wants to. And then just tie it back up. So that's book 1 he has the opportunity to write in. The second book, and that was that one right here. And then this is the second one. This is an envelope book, and it's being held together by a belly band. And he wanted more blues and greens. So this one, and they had 2 options of how to glue this one together, but anyway, it's just like an accordion. This is not a new technique. This has been around in the scrapbook world for a long time. And inside of it, it just cut apart paper that, you can decorate. You can mount it together, or you can just write on each individual piece. So I'm asking which way he wants me to do that for him. But anyway, so that gives him, these little slots to stick his storyline in here. So whatever he wants to draw, color, whatever, he can do that. So that's that book in case anybody has seen this and wanted to know how that worked. If they had this kit, real easy to do, and the directions, you can follow directions and make your own kit. If you want to make your own book. The last one is probably the most complex, which is still not difficult, but it's the book binding one. This one has little signatures and you just sew it, and it comes with chipboard covers and shows you how to glue it down. So for somebody who's new at scrapping and never maybe made a mini album before, this is a good way to show you how to make the covers and to glue them down, and the miter and the size, what you have to do. So it's pretty simple because everything is already cut. You just glue the papers and then you have to sew it. And that's how that one looks. It comes with those stickers as well. And the other thing about it is it actually even gives you some additional ways that you can sew. You can do your book binding this way. You can make an accordion book, which is kind of like a zine. So different things that you can do as well. So this, I'm going to keep this instructional book, in case I want to make my own different ones or something like that for him. So he can try to figure out how to make his own too, because I'm trying to make him learn how to measure and cut and all that kind of stuff too, since he's always in my scrapbook room. And I think it's good helping you teach you with math and spatial relations and things like that when you doing cutting and things like that. It's not just always about the art part, but it's also about the math in the relationship to objects and things like that too as well, spatial relations. So anyway, but it was just want to say that that was an easy, quick project that you can do if you still have it. You had a chance to make it. You can make those as gifts and you could bling it out. You could decorate it. You can do all kinds of different things. You can change the papers or whatever. But, you could do a lot with it. So anyway, I just wanted to do that quick share. Sorry that my tutorial got cut off. But so I just figured I'd just go ahead and do the rest of the video so you can at least see that. All right, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.